If you want to create your own wealth opportunities and be in complete control of that, this project is for you. Let me tell you, the project I'm about to review for you did 28x in their last project. So if they're going by previous results, you know investing into this right now is going to be very bullish for you. That's exactly why I'm getting involved. So let me show you what I've got for you. Before I get into it, please know I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's see what I got. So it is Elric.io, okay, a Full Metal Alchemist brotherhood where there is a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and creating their own wealth and opportunities. They are live on pinksale right now. Click this button, you can go straight there. Guys, you can see from this animation down here, please watch the full video on YouTube. The graphics to this are fantastic, okay? It's a bit like Dragon Ball Z / Pokemon coming into the same aspect. I really, really like it, guys. If you like it, let me know in the comments. Now, who is Elric? Let's dive straight into this. Elric is a fictional character and the protagonist of Magma Full Metal Alchemist, created by Hiromura Arakawa. Edward, nicknamed the Full Metal Alchemist. It's the youngest governing alchemist in the history of fictional county of Amistris, which is their complete county within the ecosystem. About this project, there is a community token which will be fully decentralized by the temptation of distributing all tokens in the pre-sale process. The project will actually be developed to give one-of-a-kind fans an experience of the journey of Elric. They have a light paper. If you click on that, you can actually go deep into it. And guys, what do I always say? I always say, guys, if you are investing into any project, you need to be safe. This project, in my eyes, is fantastic. If this project in your eyes is great as well, put my view and your view together and invest. Invest comfortably. If either I say it's not good or you say it's not good, don't take one on one and make 17. Just say not this one. Don't get FOMO and get into every one. But I'm telling you, from me, it's a double thumbs up. This is a great project to get into. So go through their light paper, see all the different characters, exactly how this works, okay? Do your own research. But talking about their tokenomics right now, okay, it's a journey of 1,000 miles, begins with one step. Now they have 2% going to the team, 5% going to the seed, 8% going to the CEX less than, 10% to liquidity, 10% to marketing, 50% to pre-sale, and 50% to the burn. The distribution of the tax is 3% buy, 7% sell, which is actually very rewarding, okay? 30% of the collected taxes will fund the development process. That's all of the machine. 30% of the collected taxes will be used for their Elric ecosystem, and 40% will be their fund marketing. Now, this is what I really like about this project. They have put full transparency on the website. So thanks to the 5 years of marketing, this is quoted, the 5 years of marketing experience fueled by our hard-earned deep marketing mindset, we definitely be the first to display the impressive growth record amongst the gems as a community token. So they have the smart contract feature where they can build the contract with maximum anti-bot with anti-whales max buy. What does this mean? Without going crazy, what this means in projects, which this project has got in there with the smart contracts, is if a whale decides to come in and pump all of their money in, millions and millions of dollars, they cannot manipulate the market in a way that you will lose out. They can't pump the price up and sell. They can't sell all the price and then buy all of the stocks. Guys, that can't happen, okay? The manipulation can't happen if they have the anti-whales max buy and max sell system. That's what this project has. It's something I look for in all projects. The supply and liquidity, the team has a strong set of skills, and many have worked for large financial companies specializing in marketing extension and creating a wallet. Then proceed to your fund wallet with BNB. Remember that. So looking at their roadmap, what is the vision of this? The BSC contracts creation has been ticked. We're in stage 1 right now. You are so early in this project, guys, that we're only in stage 1. If you got into stage 1 of Bitcoin, how happy would you be today? So we're about to launch on pinksale right now. Like I said, their previous project did 28x, so we're very, very excited about what this is going to do. Lock liquidity with it right now, and you can get it on Pancake Swiston. It's going to introduce the ELRC token, and it's light paper I've already showed you. Then we move through to stage 2 with the coin market cap list and the CoinGecko, the BSC scan, building the community and big marketing campaigns, all the way stage 3 and to stage 4, where we finish with the buyback and the roadmap versus 2. Nope, the roadmap volume 2. Guys, you can actually search for their team, okay? If you go through the light paper, you'll see more information. But we have the founder and CEO, Dominic, the marketing manager, Justin, and so on, who have done an extremely professional job within this project. Their partnerships right now are some of the biggest partnerships that you will ever see. We've got pinksale, DexView, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance, and it's audited by BlockSafeU. This is insane, guys. Let's have a look at their Twitter and see exactly what is going on in their social medias. So on their Twitter, they have 9,566 followers, guys, and they only joined in April last year, which is huge, okay? They're getting very good engagement, 1.3K, which you can see on the views of this. Elric has risen for the rashes. Guys, they put a lot of stuff on here, especially the pink sales listings, so please stay tuned on their Twitter. One thing I teach people to do is go on a project and find out who is following them. They've got 9,566 followers. If you go through the followers, you will actually see some creditable names, which means this project is destined for the moon. Give them a huge follow. Let them know you're from this channel, okay? Big us up and big them up at the same time, and get onto pinksale right now. So guys, all in all, I love the graphics, I love the project, I love the team, I love the ethos, and I love the roadmap of where this is going. The most important thing I would say about this is if you're investing, you don't need to invest big into this project because we are so early. If you just grab a piece of this project right now, you could be one of them millionaires on a private jet that talk about Bitcoin. When you already hear stories, people bought Bitcoin, 7,000 Bitcoin for a pizza. You hear that story all the time. This could be one of them. We're so early. They're only in stage 1. So get involved. If you trust my analysis and your analysis, put them both together and invest comfortably, okay? Never invest what you can't afford to lose. Remember the disclaimer at the start of the video. Guys, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. If you want to see more videos from us on this channel, hit the bell and it will notify you. And I'll see you next time.